Hi everyone, this is Brahmesh from BrahmeshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about an important phenomenon in which Mars is going in retrograde. Now what is retrograde? Retrograde motion is when a planet appears when observed from the Earth to reverse its direction. Technically the planet will not reverse in its direction, it's just an optical illusion, but whenever it happens, you tend to see a good trending moves in the market. you know so basically the planets which are nearest to the Earth are Mercury, Mars and Venus. Whenever these planet goes in retrograde or direct, you will see a very good moves in the market. I have shown many videos on Mercury retrograde and how beautifully we were able to capture good moves in the market. Now let's discuss on the Mars retrograde. So this is the Nifty's chart. I'm using a software called timingsolutions.com. You can Google about this, about the pricing of this software. Everything is available on their website. It is useful for the people who follow financial astrology. So let me go to the chart and I will apply Mars as retrograde. So this is Mercury. I'll change it to Mars. Okay. Yes, I add to it, calculate, and it will give me all the times the Mercury, sorry, this Mars has gone in retrograde. Now, if you see here, it happened on 9th of September, which was yesterday. So technically, for me, if I want to trade, and now this Mars will go direct only on 13th of November. So this range of 11,185 and 11,300 on upside, this should be the range for you. Whenever these ranges comes, you can initiate a trade based on this particular strategy. Like today, 11,300 was broken. It anyways opened with gap up, and we had a good rally in the market. Persons who want to short the market, best is to based on this particular strategy. I mean, there are a lot of strategies you can develop and you can work on. So I for this particular strategy till 13th of November, these two will be my key reference point. Whenever 11,300 is broken on upside or 11,185 is broken on downside, I can easily make 100 to 150 points. Now how far does it hold true? Now this is, I'm expecting this to happen, but any strategy we do, we need to back test it. So let's go to the last time when this particular astro phenomenon has happened. It happened all the way in 2018 on 26 June. Again, you can see here next day the low was broken. You got 2 days of downfall, and once this high was broken somewhere here, from there we had a very good rally in the market. And once it went direct, you can see a very good fall also coming in the market. So now let's take another example. So this happens like once in a year. So see here, it happened here. Next day high was broken, good move on upside, and this low was breached here. Not a great move, but this low was held, and a good rally came in. Again, when it moved from direct, a good trending move was seen. Let's take another example. Yeah, so you can see here. This is the day, and the high was broken, and the market was just trending on upside all the way. So this is how you can use this particular strategy. So whenever a particular planet, Mars is going into retrograde. Now there are sectors like Mars works good on telecommunication, it works good on financial. So like telecommunication, now Reliance is telecommunication, it rallied almost 6-7% today. Persons who want to short the market, wait for yesterday's low to be broken to make a good short. I mean, you can short at these levels also if any strategy you are following, it's working out. So this is a quick video on Mars retrograde. So you can apply this strategy and note down the key reference point 11,300 on upside and 11,185 on downside. Whichever side it gets breached till 13th of November, you will see a good move in the market. So practice this. You can even download FMS and you can check it there. You don't need a software for everything in astrological FMS. These phenomenons are mentioned, so you can make a note of it and trade with this particular strategy. Stay safe, stay healthy, and if we found any more important phenomenon, we'll share in the next videos. Thank you very much.